Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of my favorite hidden gems in Shanghai that you absolutely need to visit. This city is a wild mix of old and new, east meets west, and everything in between. We're going deep, unearthing the soul of Shanghai, the places that'll make you feel like you've unlocked a secret level of the city. We're talking hole-in-the-wall eateries with the best dumplings, secret gardens, and mind-blowing art spaces. Let's dive right in. First up, we're hitting the streets of Tianzifang. Imagine this: narrow alleyways, a labyrinth of shops and cafes, street food aromas hitting you from every direction. It's like stepping back in time, with traditional Shikumen houses rubbing shoulders with trendy boutiques and art studios. You could spend hours just wandering these alleys, discovering something new around every corner. One minute you're checking out handcrafted jewelry, the next you're sipping on a perfectly brewed cup of Chinese tea. And the street art, it's everywhere, bursting with color and life. Local artisans selling their crafts, passionate shop owners sharing their stories, and fellow explorers soaking it all in. It's a community, a living, breathing testament to the spirit of old Shanghai. Trust me, get lost in Tianzifang. You won't regret it. Next stop, we're jumping into the heart of Shanghai's contemporary art scene at M50. This former industrial district has been transformed into a creative hub, a canvas for artists to showcase their work. We're talking cutting-edge galleries, studios overflowing with paint and inspiration, and installations that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about art. Walking through M50 is like stepping into a different world. The energy is palpable, buzzing with creativity. You'll find everything from traditional Chinese ink paintings to mind-bending sculptures and photography that captures the soul of the city. Chat with the artists about their process, their inspiration, their take on the world. Whether you're an art aficionado or just appreciate something different, M50 is a must-visit. Now, let's take a break from the hustle and bustle of the city and find some serenity at Longhua Temple. This place is like an oasis of peace, a world away from the neon lights and skyscrapers. As you step through the temple gates, you're greeted by the scent of incense and the gentle chanting of monks. The architecture is breathtaking, with intricate carvings and towering pagodas that seem to touch the sky. Take your time to wander through the courtyards, admire the ancient trees, and soak in the tranquility. One of my favorite things to do here is to watch people practicing Tai Chi in the morning. It's a beautiful reminder to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the present moment. Even if you're not religious, Longhua Temple is worth a visit. Alright, let's dive back into the heart of the city and explore Fuxing Park. This green oasis is like a breath of fresh air in the middle of the urban jungle. Locals come here to escape the concrete, practice Tai Chi, play cards, and just soak up the sun. You'll see elderly couples dancing to traditional Chinese music, kids chasing pigeons, and young professionals grabbing a coffee at one of the park's cafes. It's a microcosm of Shanghai life, all happening under the shade of ancient trees. Grab a bench, sit back, and just observe. Watch the world go by, listen to the sounds of the city, and let the energy of Shanghai wash over you. And if you're feeling adventurous, join in on a game of Jianzi, a traditional Chinese game played with a weighted shuttlecock. Our final stop takes us back in time to the Shikumen Open House Museum. This place is a portal to old Shanghai, a perfectly preserved example of the city's unique architectural heritage. Stepping inside is like walking onto a movie set. You'll see traditional furniture, household items, and even personal belongings that offer a glimpse into the lives of the families who once called this place home. It's a fascinating look at how life has changed and stayed the same in Shanghai over the years. The museum does an incredible job of recreating the atmosphere of old Shanghai. Don't miss the chance to explore the narrow alleyways surrounding the museum. These are the real deal, lined with original Shikumen houses that offer a glimpse into the past. I hope you enjoyed this tour of my hidden gems in Shanghai. This city is a constant source of inspiration, and I'm always discovering new and exciting places to explore. Remember, this is just a starting point. Get out there, get lost, and uncover your own hidden gems. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.